Skin grafts are like horses, they love to die after surgery. And this isn't without good reason. The grafts are usually only anchored to the skin at the edges with simple interrupted sutures, so the middle of the graft can move around, causing fluid and blood to accumulate underneath. To prevent this, various meshing and tie-over dressing techniques have been developed that stabilize the graft and help drain any accumulating fluid. The star tie-over technique is becoming quite popular because it can place uniform pressure on all parts of the graft. In many religions, the star is also a sign of life and connections, so maybe that also contributes to keeping the graft alive and helping it form connections with the wound bed. The issue with many of these techniques is that they make dressing changes very difficult, because each time the tie-over sutures must be removed and replaced. To make dressing changes much less of a hassle, this technique involves loosely placing simple interrupted sutures at the periphery of the skin graft, adding all the required dressing layers, then passing a piece of string through all the loops to create a star-shaped tie-over. When it's time to replace this dressing, the sutures can be left in place. Only the string on top is removed.